everybody, it's Tiffany here and we are back with an all new video. Today I'm gonna be sharing with y'all my favorite 23 items in 2023. I will leave all of the links in the description box down below. So if you're ready, let's go. The first thing that I absolutely loved getting this year was this light. This is a electric lighter. Not sure if you guys have seen it. I've actually bought several of them just to have on hand. They are electric, so you do recharge them here, and this does come with it, and it's been great. We've had birthday parties and lit candles with them. I light candles all the time, so it has been one of my favorite purchases. And I love this because you're not gonna have to rebuy your lighters. All you do is recharge it, which is pretty cool. This is a chip bag sealer and it has a magnet on the back, so it's great just to put right on your refrigerator. What you can do is, you know, when you have an open bag of chips, this will reseal it for you, and it kind of like, it melts the bag. It's pretty cool. It also has a little, y'all be careful if you've got little ones around the house, but it's got a X-Acto knife right here, and so you can use that to open it, and then you close the bag back up, which is super great and very convenient. And of course, if you haven't got one of these already, where have you been? I love having these in the house. We mix our coffee with them. We mix protein shakes with them. Are so darn cheap and great to have. They do take batteries. That's the one thing I wish that they would have, is a rechargeable one instead of the batteries. And if they do have a rechargeable one, let me know in the comments down below. The next thing is this car adapter right here. This is super convenient to put in your car. Not only does it have the USB, it also has the USB-C. Something that I like to have, if you're like me and you need reading glasses, you're just not quite need to have full-on blown glasses, but I do need some reading glasses. They have some adorable ones on Amazon, and these actually came in, I believe, a 5 or 6 pack, which was a good deal, and they all came with cases, and they are also, they have the blue light, which is good for if you are on the computer all the time or even on your phone. It's good to have that blue light. And so I bought the pack, and like I have one in every room now, so I don't have to keep looking for glasses when I need them. So that was super convenient, and I love having that around the house. I do my own nails, and I've been doing them for years and years and years. So I really love this brand right here. This is the Bettles. I use their gels, and I really do like them. And they've got some really cute, pretty colors. If you'd like to know how I do my nails, leave me a comment down below. This is a Swedish rag. Now, you guys, I have been using this for about a year now. They are amazing. They are not like your normal dishcloths. So these are cloths that you'd be using to clean your bathroom, to clean your kitchen. They are absolutely wonderful. I love them. They're very durable. One thing is that they don't stink. Have you ever like used your wash rag and you wipe the table and then you put it back in your sink and then a couple hours later it smells? Well, these do not do that at all. Like, I've never had a smelly dish rag. So to me, that's a huge plus, and I absolutely love these. For your pet in your family, we got this stainless steel pet water fountain. We got this for our little cat Mindy, because she is just so special. Anyway, so we just thought she needed this pet water fountain. It has an LED light, so it lights up at nighttime. It also has a filter in it, which is pretty fantastic. If you're like me and want to spoil your baby fur baby, get them one of these. I highly recommend it. It has like a continuous flow, so they're always getting nice fresh water and nothing like stagnant. Like, that's the worst thing, is stagnant water for pets. She wasn't too sure about it at first, which was kind of funny. She kind of looked at it and she was like, It took her a day or two just to kind of get used to her new water, but now it's no big deal and she loves it. And if you have a playful cat, I bet they would love to play with the water that it's flowing down. My favorite book that I read this year was Fourth Wing. Now, if you haven't heard of this yet, go out and buy it. It's really good. It's very unique. It's kind of not of this world. There's a lot of fantasy, there's some romance, there's some thriller, so it has a little bit of everything. I just really liked it. I also just bought Iron Flame, which is the sequel. Look how pretty this book is with the black right here. Isn't that gorgeous? This was, I believe this was a special edition. I had pre-ordered this and maybe that's why I got it, but I'm not sure. I have not started it yet, so this is gonna be my book I'm gonna start in 2024, so I'm very excited about that. If If you're like me and you read at nighttime, absolutely love this book light. It has different colors. It's got a warm setting, a cool setting, and a little bit of an orange setting. So that's a little bit easier on your eyes. This has been the best book light that I've bought. I had another one previously and I love this one because it really keeps its charge. My other one would go dead in like 2 or 3 days. And this one I can read every night for at least a week or two, then I have to recharge it. Have you heard about lifting and tinting your lashes? If you go get that done, it is like $60 or $80, like minimum from what I have seen around, at least where we are at. It's super expensive. And like me, I'm gonna do it myself. So I found this kit on Amazon. This is a lash lift kit. As I get older, I've always had pretty long eyelashes, but as I get older, I can see them kind of not curling up as much and they're getting a little bit thinner. I guess that just happens with age. I did this, it's like a perm for your eyelashes. So funny because when I was doing it, it smelled like a perm. Like if you're around my age and you remember growing up and your mom getting a perm or you got a perm, you know that smell, the perm smell, it has that. So it really brought back some memories for me. We did this, and if I can find some photos of my before and after, I will put them in right here. So I think we did a really good job the first time. I'm getting ready to do it a second time, and if you guys want to know how I do it and would like a tutorial, let me know in the comments down below as well. We forgot to tint my eyelashes. This is basically a tint, so you're kind of like dyeing your eyelashes. And this is the tint that I bought. It's an eyelash tint and brow. So if you wanted to do your brows, you could. They also sent these extra items here and some pens as well. So we're gonna be doing that next time when I do my eyelashes. And I might even do my brows this time. This little light has been one of the best purchases for my kitchen. It is a cute little light and I put it right on my countertop, and I got a soft warm light, and I'll put a link in the description box down below of the light that I used with it, so you guys can, if you want that same effect. But it's a nice cute little lamp just to have a little ambient light in your kitchen, and I just love it. If you are into drinking water and you don't want to get those huge Stanley cups, they're kind of expensive in my opinion. But I found like an alternative. This is the reduced kind. This one holds like 40 ounces. Gotta drink your water. Now, if you don't want this huge one, I also have a little one that I bought, and everyone in our family has one. Everyone has their own color. Good to keep hydrated, and it's like a fraction of the Stanley cups. Plus, I think I kind of like the shape a little bit better. The Stanley cups are a little bit tall for me. So you may or may not know, but we have a ton of chickens, so we get a lot of eggs usually. Right now they're not really laying because it's winter and that's just how it goes. But during the summer we just get so many eggs. And so I absolutely love this egg holder right here. It holds like 60 eggs. So if you have chickens, this is great. But you put your eggs up here, and then you also can fill the basket up. This lifts up, and then you can fill the basket up with eggs in here. It holds a lot. We don't refrigerate our eggs because you don't have to when they're fresh like that. We keep all of this on our windowsill in our kitchen and right by our stove. We just grab an egg and use it, and I like it because it holds a lot. Bought these, and I got another set because they are amazing. I love the size of them. Let's go ahead and open this one up. This is a brand new one. I really like the size of these. They're great for prepping like your vegetables. That way they're ready to go in your refrigerator. And I really like the size of these, the rectangular shape than like a round one. I don't know why. They are just such a good size. Some of them have compartments, but I personally like the ones that are just one like this, and they're great for leftovers. We needed a new toaster, and I found the most adorable one on Amazon. So cute. I love the color and it works really well. I thought it was very reasonably priced. If you've seen the Smeg coasters, holy cow, those are super expensive. This still has the same kind of vintage feel that I was going for, but it was a fraction of the price. I also got this hands-free trash can, which I put in my bathroom. Really, really enjoying it. It does take batteries, and we'll see how long it lasts. But we are really enjoying this trash can. It's just nice, convenient, and I love how it opens by itself. Our other trash can was one of those that you step on it and the lid would pop up. These shower caddies are super convenient. They just stick right to the wall, and we've really, really enjoyed them. This pack came with it too. One was a little bit bigger than the other. We have one in this shower here, and we also added them into our shower in our RV. Now my absolute all-time favorite purchase of this year is our new permanent outdoor Govee lights. They are so cool. They turn on automatically, they can turn off automatically. You can put them on a timer. They have different scenes, so you can do like a festive, which right now we have like Christmas themed going on. I can do Thanksgiving, you can do Halloween, you can do Easter, you can do all white, but they're permanent outdoor lights. That means you don't have to take them down every year. Like, I love the lights, but putting them up and down every year, it becomes a lot. So these are permanent. They came with these little stickies and you just stick them right along your roof line, and they were so quick to install. I think it took us maybe an hour and a half total, from opening the box and everything to putting them up. I can control them from my phone. I can turn them on from my phone. Like if I'm in town and I want to turn them on, I can do that. It is the coolest thing, and I highly, highly recommend getting them. Well guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't done so already. And if you'd like to see another shopping video, click on the video link right here. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.